is for the more readability on the console panel. By default, the console log entry shows 2 lines. For improved readability, you can configure this to be more streamlined with 1 line. Enter the play mode and we have different logs here in the console panel. Click on this 3-dot button and from the log entry, select 1 line. It makes all the logs to take only 1 line. If you have too many logs, you can make it 1 line to have more readability. And the same way you can make it 3 line. This way it will give you more data per log, as 1 log will be using 3 lines. And the same way we can make it 5 lines. If you want more data from 1 log, you can increase the line. And that's a way of changing logs, and you can change according to your project need. From here you can select different log clear options, and from here you can collapse similar logs. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.